Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to add your Capital One card to Apple Wallet. So let's get started. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. At the top right, tap the plus icon. Choose debit or credit card, then tap continue. You can either scan your Capital One card with your camera or enter the details manually, like your card number, name, and expiration date. Tap Next, follow the on-screen instructions, and agree to the terms. Once verified, your Capital One debit or credit card will appear in your Apple Wallet, ready to use with Apple Pay. And that's it. You've successfully added your Capital One card to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.